Today we're hosting a community workshop to focus on the image of Springfield and find ways that we can strengthen the identity of Springfield as a great place to live and do business. We've been working over the last year with a variety of community partners such as the Greater Springfield Chamber of Commerce and the Springfield Civic Association in order to get enough input so that we can identify the character and essence of the community. Despite the fact that Springfield has many assets, people don't know about all of them, and in fact sometimes aren't aware that they're in Springfield as they're traveling through. So the idea behind the branding system is to change that and to let people know that they're in Springfield and to start to showcase some of their better assets.
We're here today to present 3 design options of the entry gateways into Springfield. We're expanding on the existing logo and brand that was developed. We're trying to create a sense of place. And that's not just in the printed logo, but also in the built environment. So we're environmental graphic designers, so we like to apply that brand into the environment. So it's not necessarily just putting a sign up that has the logo on it, but we're incorporating dimensional elements and lighting and patterns and graphics to convey that brand.
The county is very interested in supporting revitalization in all of our commercial areas in our communities, and one of the most important facets of that is having engagement of the stakeholders, of local residents and businesses. We find that when we are able to really bring in the voices and ideas of other people, we are able to move projects forward more quickly, and we have a more successful outcome.